To transfer crypto from Revolut to Ledger, follow these steps. First, you need to set up your Ledger device and ensure it is connected to your computer. Open the Ledger Live application and create an account if you haven't already. Next, navigate to the Accounts tab and click on Add Account, then select the type of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, if you want to transfer Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. Now go to the Revolut app and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Send button. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient address. To find the recipient address, go back to the Ledger Live application and click on the Receive button next to the account you just created. A pop-up window will appear with a QR code and a long string of characters, which is your wallet address. Copy this address and go back to the Revolut app. Paste the address into the recipient field and enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check the address to ensure it is correct, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Once you have confirmed the details, click Send and the transaction will be processed. It is essential to note that transaction fees and processing times may apply. Always double-check the recipient address and ensure you are sending the correct amount. By following these steps, you can securely transfer cryptocurrency from Revolut to Ledger. Remember to always keep your Ledger device and Revolut account secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. This will help protect your cryptocurrency from unauthorized access. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, you can consult the Ledger and Revolut support documentation for further assistance. Transferring cryptocurrency from Revolut to Ledger is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can ensure a safe and successful transfer.